I am here with a unboxing video. This is my Fabfitfun box for spring. I love to do unboxing videos. One of my first videos was about unboxings. I love subscription boxes, and you know, at one time I had like 7 or 8 monthly subscription services. Over time, I just gradually canceled them because I realized every month I would get piles and piles and piles of samples, and I don't really use them. So I canceled everything, and I discovered Fabfitfun box. So this is a seasonal box. You get it every season with full-size products. And it's not just about beauty, there's some lifestyle products in here as well. So I'm really excited to try. It's a little bit more expensive than a monthly subscription service, but it's really worth it. I'd rather get full-size products seasonally rather than like getting a bunch of sample size items that I will never be able to get through. I'll leave everything down below for you guys. Enough with the chit chat. Let's open the box. So I have my scissor. I don't know why I just showed you guys my scissor. The box is so beautiful. I'm gonna use it for something else as well. Woo! When I opened it, it's like this. It comes with a like a newspaper with all the product information. Not gonna read it, and you know, probably I'll save this for Emma so she can draw on this newspaper. Let's open it. Whoa. Everything is organized very well, very neatly. So first thing is in a Tiffany blue pouch. It's the brand Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. And it's a silver bracelet with the word love on it. This is what it looks like. It's cute. You know, I'm not a big fan of like custom jewelries, but I will wear this because it's cute. And then I got an Ish lip statement palette. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness! Look at all these colors. Oh my god. It's really, let me show you guys again. Oh my god, it's really good. Oh my god. But I don't think I will use a lip palette, so maybe I'll re-give this to someone. It says Rachel Pally on it. So let's open this up. It seems like it's a bag. So I don't. Oh, it comes with a dust bag. So it says Rachel Pally. And then yes, it is a clutch. This is a print. You can use it like this, or you can use it like this. I love the print. And then with a tassel right over here. And I actually really need a clutch. It's really cute. I actually really like the print. It's fun, you know? I'm going on vacation in June. I will definitely take this when I go out, have a drink or something. It's cute, you know? And then with this kind of stuff, you know, I'm not gonna get too worried if I lose them or what. And I don't have a lot of like clutch, so it's nice to get one. What's this? Okay, this is from Free People. I believe it's a eye mask. So I don't really use eye mask, to be honest, but this one seems it's really well made, and it has anyway, this is the design. Oh, you know, I don't really like eye mask. And so, oh, and the inside comes with the pad, like the what's it called, the jelly pad or whatever it's called. And I think I can put it in the fridge and then make my eyes depuff. Oh, I don't know. This, I'll try to use it. You know, I'm trying to use stuff that I don't normally use now. I'll see. Probably I mean, I'll give it a go, but I don't really like the print. Oh, I don't know. I have from Murad a skin perfecting lotion. Love the brand. So it's a face lotion, lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. It's a full-size product. You know, I will definitely try this. I got a Chorus body butter, guava body butter. So okay, perfect. I always need body butter, and this is a really good size. So yeah, I'm really happy to try this. Smells okay, you know, vanilla-y, like very like sweet. This is a Dermilect Ridge Filler. Oh, so it's like a nail polish. So this is what it looks like, a full size. I never heard of this brand. I have a candle. This is the Manhattan Beach candle. So this is what it looks like, the box. Let me open it. Oh my god, smells so good. Oh my god. Smells real. Oh my god, I love this copper cup. Oh my god, it's really good. Oh, it's from Anderson Lily. Yeah, Anderson Lily. It's in the scent Manhattan Beach. This is what it looks like. I love this cup. Oh my god, so cute. The scent is very bathroom appropriate, you know. It's good for the bathroom, so I'll definitely put this in my bathroom. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Okay, this looks really strange. This is a massage roller from Physique 57. So I guess you use this to massage places. Cool. Oh, it doesn't feel that bad. It feels good. I mean, yeah, I can try it. This is everything I got for spring edition. I'm okay with the product. You know, I really like the clutch, surprisingly. I just need a carefree, like, evening clutch. So this is really good. And I like the cosmetics. And I hate the eye mask. I love the candle. The nail polish, I don't really care about it because it's a filler instead of an actual color. And I'm okay with the jewelry. And I don't care about the lip palette. So overall, I think I'm okay. I'm not in love with this box, but I'll give it another go for summer edition. I'll see if I want to cancel it or not. Oh, I'm really obsessed with this. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I will do more bag review videos, and please leave suggestions down below of what kind of bag you want me to review, or just give me suggestions, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!